Navigating the residential exam can feel like a daunting maze, especially with the toughest topics that can truly make or break your real estate career in Singapore. First up, property taxes. Understanding stamp duties and seller's stamp duty is crucial. These taxes directly impact buyers' purchasing power and the overall market. Next, we have advertisement regulations. The Council for Estate Agencies enforces strict rules to ensure transparency, and knowing these can save you from hefty fines and reputational damage. Then there's the Consumer Protection, Fair Trading Act. This legislation is your shield against unfair practices, ensuring you uphold consumer rights and build trust with your clients. Lastly, mastering the sale of uncompleted private properties is essential. Familiarizing yourself with the housing developers' rules is key to facilitating smooth transactions. Each of these topics is not just a hurdle, they're stepping stones to becoming a trusted real estate professional.